Hello, my name is Michael Stillwell and I'm one of the instructors here at the Piano Technician Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you the course from the inside. So when you enroll in our course on our website, the system will automatically assign you to an instructor based off of that instructor's roster. So if one of us had more graduations one week and we have less people on our roster, that's who you're going to get assigned to. The system will automatically send you an email from your new instructor with login information so you can access the course material. I am already logged in, so when you log in, you're going to see this home page, and on the left hand side you're going to see all the lessons, and it'll start to show you kind of your progress as you work your way through these. You are required to take these sequentially, so you're not able to hop to lesson 5 or lesson 8 until you complete the lessons before that. I personally am logged in on a instructor account, so I can do that. I'm going to hop to lesson 8 here and show you the course from the lesson from the inside. Now when I click lesson 8, this pops up and you'll see a little intro, and then you'll see all of the actual content for this lesson, and you'll see these little circles over on the right hand side. Those are going to kind of fill in as you complete different sections of the lesson itself. Now that I'm in the course, you can see there's an intro here, and as I scroll down, there is this PDF that pops up. So this is the lesson in PDF format. You can download this, print it, keep it forever. Keep in mind, you only have access to the online portion of this course for 12 months. So it's very good to download this lesson. You can keep it forever. You can print it. I'm going to kind of keep going through the lesson here. You're going to see that we have all of these videos that are embedded directly right into the lessons themselves. These are not downloadable videos for copyright reasons, but they are here in the actual lessons. Now right here, this is pretty interesting. So we have an LMS admin. It's called a learning architect, who has a master's degree in e-learning, and he helped design this course in a way that kind of promotes maximum retention. So there's a lot of different things that you guys will be interacting with, like these note cards here that you'll have to flip over. And the idea here is that there are studies that prove that we retain this material a lot better when we interact with it, like I'm doing right now. And you are required to do this before this continue button will pop up. Now I'm going to come over here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and go down to this quiz. So most of these lessons will have quizzes at the end of them. Some of them don't. The lessons that really don't require quizzes, but you are required to get an 80% or higher on all of these quizzes. You can start this quiz just by clicking this button. If you want to go back and review the lessons, you can do that. You don't have to retake the quiz. In fact, if you do retake the quiz, it's only going to record your highest score. So now that you guys have kind of seen inside the course, if you guys have any questions about the course itself, always feel free to shoot me an email at michael@pianotechnicianacademy.com. Thanks for watching, guys.